Hey guys, this is Ellie with Dream Credit Financial. Today's video is short and sweet, so make sure you watch till the end. Now that you know what a credit score is and how the things that you do in your daily life affect your credit score, the next step is to get a copy of your credit report. But how do you do that? There are three major credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. All three bureaus have a record of your credit history, and most lenders will pull credit reports from all three credit bureaus. That is why it is so important that you obtain your credit report from all three. You can mail a letter to each of the credit bureaus requesting a copy of your credit report, and they will mail it to you. I have included below the addresses for each of the credit bureaus so the way you can send them letters. Another way to get a copy of your credit report, which is easier and a lot faster, is to use a credit monitoring company. I personally use My Score IQ because unlike other credit monitoring agencies, they use the FICO scoring system, which is more accurate, and it's what your lenders use. Below, I will leave a link for a 7-day trial for $1. So that way you can get a copy of your credit report. So now that you have your credit report from all three bureaus, what do you do next? On the next video, I will talk about how you can develop an action plan so you can improve your credit score. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I will answer them. You can also email me. I will be leaving my email address below. So you can send me any questions that you have or any requests for future videos that you would like. And make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching.